Hello, welcome back to B2 Codes. There are a lot of HTML tags out there which we use while creating our website. But there are some cool HTML tags which we don't use or which we forget to use while creating the website. Those are really very cool tags which makes the website look really very amazing. So today the video is on that. Today I'm going to discuss about 5 cool HTML tags which we are not using. So the video is going to be really very interesting. You will be amazed to see these 5 cool HTML tags. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing, as usual, let's create the folder and run it with VS Code. We're going to name the folder cool tags and run this with our text editor. So creating our file, which will be index.html. Let's change the title to tags. Now in the body we are going to use our tags. So the first tag that I'm going to use is the details tag. So here we will write the details tag. So in the details tag, the first thing we're going to write is the summary. In the summary we're going to write the first topic. You can watch it how it looks like when I run it with the live server. So in the summary I'm going to write, say, things to know. And after the summary, I'm going to add a paragraph where I'm going to write the things that you are going to use in the website. Like, for example, if your website is like a general knowledge website, you can use different general knowledge topic. Like, I'm not going to use any of such things. I'm going to just give it a template. So let's run it with the server and you can see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You'll get a button here and it says things to know. And if you click this button, it says the below mentioned things. This is just a template you can use while creating a website. So anything you want to give it in your website, anything you let the user know about your website, you can use it like this, things to know. Very less people use this tag. It seems really awesome. Let me bring it to the center to view it good. So for that, let me create style.css. It was details, summary, details. I'll use, what do you say, text align, center. Then I'll use margin, top 300 pixel. Let me increase the font size to 20 pixel. Wait. Okay, now you can see it's in the center. This is how it looks like. So this is a really amazing HTML tag you can use in your website to make it look amazing. Going to the next cool tag, which is text area. Let me first delete this. So for the text area, we're going to use text area. You get this name, ID, columns and rows. Columns and rows are basically the breadth and the height of the text box that we're going to create. For now, we are not using this name and ID. We're not going to make it that complex. We're just using columns and rows to make you understand how the text area actually is. So let's save this and you can see this is how it looks like. Here you can type anything you want. Like this is actually seen in the contact us button where you can write any suggestions or any complaints of that website that you are using. So to make it look good, you can use a submit button, input, text type SUBMIT. So it looks like this now. You can type anything here and you can submit it to the people of that website. To change the breadth and height, you can change these rows and columns. If I change these columns to 10 and rows to 5, it will get really very small. So it just got small. You can type anything and you can submit. So going to the third cool HTML tag. So the third cool HTML tag that we are going to use is acronym. Let's delete this, and for acronym first let's use a paragraph, and here we are going to write a sentence and use the acronym tag in between. So to use the acronym, we'll first write a sentence, say the social media platform, then we're going to use the acronym tag, acronym tag, and here in the title I'll write founded by Mark Zuckerberg. Let's keep it MZ. So The social media platform title founded by this, and here I'll write Facebook, then acronym is closed. Here we're going to write has gained a lot of popularity. Let's save this, and now you can see what's its use. You can see below this word Facebook. Wait, let me first increase the font size of this. This is the P tag. Okay, the social media platform Facebook has gained a lot of popularity. You can see there are some dots behind the word, below the word Facebook. Now, if I move my mouse cursor to that Facebook, you can see founded by MJ, like founded by Mark Zuckerberg. If you want to write, you can write the whole word or the whole name. So this is another great HTML tag to use actually. Like when you want to describe something and you want to keep the sentence short, then this is the best way to use the acronym tag and design the website as good as you want. So if you want to describe something, you can describe it like that. The social media platform Facebook, if I move my mouse here, you can see founded by Mark Zuckerberg, has gained a lot of popularity. So this is another cool tag. So the next or the fourth cool HTML tag that we're going to use, the abbreviation tag, abbr. For that, it's quite same like the acronym tag. I'll show you how it looks like. So at first I'll write abbr, and here in the title I'll write world. Like any sentence I want to write, I'm going to write something related to World Health Organization, so I'm writing that. World Health Organization. World Health Organization. And here we're going to write the abbreviation of World Health Organization, which is WHO. And after closing this ABB here, we're going to write the rest of the sentence. WHO is responsible for international public health. Let's save this now, and you can see this is what it looks like. WHO, just a second, body. Okay, WHO is responsible for international public health, and as like its acronym, you can see there are dot below this WHO word. And if I move my mouse cursor there, you can see it's written World Health Organization. It's responsible. World Health Organization is responsible for international public health. So if you want to describe something and you want to make the sentence short, keep the sentence short, you can use, or if you want to use the abbreviations, you can make it like this. Moving towards the last cool tag we're going to use is the mark tag. Like say if you write a sentence and you want to mark a certain word, you want to highlight a certain word. In that case, you can go to CSS and add some extra lines and do the styling, but that's a different thing. You can wrap the particular word that you want to highlight with this mark HTML tag. It's quite easy than using this CSS. So I'm going to show you how we can add this mark tag. So at first, let me create a paragraph, and here I'm going to write don't forget to take. I don't think anyone will write something like this in their website, but this is just an example. Don't forget to take your, and here I'm going to use the mark tag. Mark tag, and here I'm going to write CHARGR. That's all. So if I save this, and you can see don't forget to take your charger, and the charger is highlighted in a yellow color. So that's how you can highlight any particular word which is important to you. That's how it's highlighted. You can do that. You can go to CSS and do the styling, but that's a different idea, and this is a different idea. You can directly wrap that particular word with your mark tag, and you are ready to go. The particular word that you are going to highlight will be highlighted with this simple mark tag. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again.